Alright, so make sure you unplug your washer. You hear the humming. We're dealing with a drain pump. Now, 3 Phillips screws have a bucket, drain pan, something to catch water. Now, you could mitigate some of the leakage if you take your washer outside or tilt your machine opposite to where the drain pump sits. Most of the water was already out of this, and we did have a little leak. So keep in mind, when you have a humming like that, it doesn't always mean your drain pump is bad. You could have something that is caught, and eventually it will damage the pump, so you want to get it out as soon as possible. A lot of times when you remove the obstruction, the pump is good, and you're able to use your machine. It will drain, and all is good. But sometimes it will be a bad pump. So be mindful of small items, socks, tiny things that will get caught in the pump. They will make their way in. So use a laundry bag, and you will see shortly. Now, make small marks where the screws are out, so you will know exactly where to put them back. Sometimes you take things apart and then you're wondering where this screw goes. So take your time and get it done right. And you'll see shortly, we had a sock in this pump. Again, have a bucket or something to catch water so you don't make a mess. And towels, of course. I was letting it out slowly. You can see a sock and water is still leaking. So what you want to do once you remove the old pump, you can connect it back to the machine just like that, because you might not have a test lead like what I use to test a pump, and you might need someone to lay underneath the machine as you slightly tilt the machine, reconnect the pump, put the machine back in drain and spin. Machine is not going to do anything. It's not going to drain. And have someone pay attention to see if the pump is turning. If the pump is turning, you're good to go. Go ahead and put the pump back in. And double check for obstruction. Those are 5/16 screws, the base of the pump. And once you verify that the pump is working, then you can put that piece back on, the base, 5/16, and reattach the pump, connect your wires, and you're good to go. If the pump is bad, meaning when you connect a wire, put it in drain and spin, it did not spin, you will see shortly what I'm talking about, like right now. All right, so you could see the difference between the good pump, how it was working, and then the bad one, how it was not doing anything. So the humming noise was the pump trying to turn. So we're all done wrapping up and getting ready to set the machine down. Double check your work, make sure everything's good. Dry up any water that is under the floor or on the floor. And go ahead and set your machine, plug your machine back in. Put it on drain and spin, and it should drain, and it should start to spin as well. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other videos over on Patreon. Thank you.